In what world was I wearing this shade of lipstick? Like, who did I think I was? Today, I am bringing you a declutter my makeup video. I hoard makeup. Like, it's bad because if you've seen my videos, you know I ain't wearing much makeup. Mostly because I just like, I fell out of touch with it, and now I'm not like an extreme type of gal. Like, I don't need to have a lot of makeup on to, like, I don't know. Like, I definitely want to keep some fun stuff that I can experiment with and whatever if I ever want to. But I definitely want to get rid of some of my duplicates or products that I know I'm never going to use, or things that are definitely probably expired. So we're going to see what we can get rid of, and hopefully this 3-tiered thing, maybe one empty, hopefully, is my goal, is to clear like enough space to have like an empty one. But I just need a better way to organize this. Like, it's a mess, sister. So this is the before of this top shelf. As you can see, it is quite full of palettes. There are some eyeliners and lip liners and just some random stuff. I'm like sitting on the floor with you because I just like, I want to get closer. I want to be like BFFs with you. Do you know what I mean? Like, we're close right now. You're my gal pal. Okay. Alright, let's get started. So the first palettes I see are from the Sephora collection. Their destination collection. I don't know, it was a really long time. These are definitely expired and they're kind of ugly. No offense, Sephora, not trying to shade you, but we're getting rid of those. Is this the Storm one? Not, well, it's not Storm, obviously. Like, look at it. What is this one? Girl, I don't even know what this one is. It's cute and I kind of live for it, so I'm going to keep it because it's fun and it's colors I don't have, which is cool. So we're keeping Kylie. Work. Okay, sorry guys, I've been doing this like all day and it's like kind of getting bad, so I need to knock that off. This is Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette. This is super old. I love her. Oh my god, it smells so good. Literally talent. I love Graveyard Girl, aka Bunny. If you don't know who she is, she's awesome. You should watch her. I've been watching her for years and years and years, and I bought this because I like love her, and then it turns out I'm allergic to Tarte. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. She's been used, man. Jaclyn Hill has a lot of shade on her recently, which is kind of sad. I don't even like really get into that type of stuff. Like, I think it's fun at first, but then like Jaclyn Hill gets like shat on way too much, so like I don't even like get into it anymore. Her palette, bomb though, so we're keeping it. I'll show you what I got rid of. All these. The next row of stuff in here is brushes and eyelash stuff, and I think like some other random shite. So let's find out. This is the second one. As you can see, a bunch of stuff I probably won't ever use again. Luxie has great brushes. I love their brushes. That's really soft. Oh god. Ew. I'm like covered in like, okay, this is a good brush. Like, why don't I use that? Okay, Old Clinique. That thing hurts like a B-I-C-T-H.
She is a bitch. B-I-C-T-H.
House of Lashes lashes. I love all my lashes. I usually keep them all. The blush kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't use it. It's way too pigmented for like what I like. I don't know why I hold on to trash old eyelashes. It's disgusting. So like I'm finding things that I was like, oh, I didn't really like at first, but Wet n Wild this highlight in particular, Tati said that she loved this when it first came out, and like when I saw that I was like, oh, I can afford that, I'm gonna go get it. And it didn't like work out for me, but honestly I should like give it another shot. Maybe I was just like on drugs at the time. The last one is lip products. Wow, when was the last time you saw me wear lip products? Oh, that's right, literally never. Skin illuminator, like what does that mean? That was a big mistake. In what world was I wearing this shade of lipstick? Like, who did I think I was? Some of these are like cute, but like also I don't wear lipstick. I'm gonna keep some of these like natural nudes though. I'm a nude gal. If your makeup starts to smell like a crayon, honey, it's expired. These are like glitter pigments that aren't even meant for your eyes, which that's so unsafe, but I was like, I'm a wild child and like I'm just like really finding myself, you know? Oh my god, lip smackers though. My childhood. Like that's fashion. It smells like, literally it smells like somebody took a shat. It's disgusting. Officially just cleaned out my makeup thing. I'm going to put it all back in a more neat and organized manner, and I'll show you what I got rid of and what I'm keeping. I want to show you what is getting trashed. Wow, it actually doesn't look like much on person. Like here's my hand and here's all that. Literally so satisfying to me. Like the before and after, I know like the footage was not cute and satisfying, but like I don't know, like this just like made me productive, and I'm like so proud of what I'm getting rid of. There's a lot of stuff that is expired and needs to get thrown out and stuff like that, and you know, it's hard to like part with things that you're like make you feel a certain way, you know? Like I don't know how to explain it. Like as a kid, like this is my biggest dream, was to have a giant collection. But I'm learning like being minimal is like so much more rewarding because you can enjoy what you have, and like I don't enjoy everything that I have. Like clearly like this big stack of stuff I don't use, and like I don't know, just like what's the point of keeping something that I'm never gonna use, you know? But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.